Yesterday I posted about my broccoli plant, so here they are right here, and how you can eat the leaves. So if you've never grown broccoli, the main part of the broccoli comes out right here in the middle. So when I'm picking leaves, I like to pick the outer ones, or even some of the middle ones, but I usually vary it. Like I'll pick one from this plant, one from that plant, all over. You can see this plant right here barely has any leaves because it's closest to the edge of the bed, and so my kids always pick leaves off of this plant. I have to remind them to spread it out when they're out here munching. But the same goes for like cauliflower, cabbage, and everything like that. All the brassicas, you can eat the leaves. So like this is purple cabbage, and you can pick one of them like this, eat it, use it as a wrap, put it in salads. They're also super good. And all of these are like have like a really sweet, like not really sweet, but a pretty sweet taste. But then once it freezes or gets a frost, then they get even sweeter. I don't know why, but that is the case. And then so it's really good. So like all these plants right here, so I would probably pick this big leaf right here off of this broccoli plant because it's overshadowing this smaller purple cabbage underneath. So that's also kind of how I determine what leaves I pick if I want to, because I planted these all really close in here, and you can see there's poppies coming up underneath them because this was is a wildflower bed in the springtime. So you can pick leaves to make more sun for other plants, and eat them. They're really good. So, and then once you, the main stalk of, or the head of broccoli comes up, it'll be right here. You can harvest that, and then little shoots, little heads will come out the sides, and you'll get more broccoli. So don't rip up your broccoli plant when you have your one big head of broccoli. Pick that and then let all the other little ones grow, and you'll keep harvesting broccoli for a few months.